We're glad you're here. Please leave a message after the beep.
Ay, ayun pala yung ano. Ang ganda ko. Well, hi, Lucas. Ano ba yun, Daddy? Sana alagaan mo yung kapatid mo. Always remember that family first. And lagi niyong tatandaan na love kayo ni Mommy and ni Daddy. And then for Peanut, stay as you are na maging aming happy pill. And kami nang bahala ni Daddy nyo sa atin, ang bahala. So, ayun lang. I love you. Babalik ako pag may naisip pa ulit akong message. Bye! Highlight and Lucas. I love you. Hello, Lucas. Ewan ko ba dito sa mga magulang mo? Basta good luck na lang paglaki mo, ha? Bye-bye. Okay na to. Bye-bye. Hello, Light. Good luck sa inyo. Ewan ko sa mga magulang mo. Para silang loko-loko eh. Pero, lumaki ka sanang may takot sa Diyos tsaka sa parents mo. Ayan lang. Pag kinasal ka na, kunin mo akong ninang ulit, ha? Hindi na ako mag-aasawa para sa inyo. Bye-bye.
Hello, Peanut.
Okay, hi, Tina.
Hi, Peanut. Happy birthday.
Ano ba sasabihin? Yung gusto mo sabihin kay JB?
You always laugh to me when I make you laugh.
Anong promise mo kay Tina?
Promise
What?
I will
Ha?
promise I will protect you.
Say I love you.
Love you, Peanut.
Okay, bye. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Peanut.
Hi, Peanut! Happy birthday! I'm your daddy, Ninong. Love na love kita. Love you.
Hi, Peanut! Happy birthday! Sana lumaki kang mabait, lumaki kang may takot sa Diyos, at lumaki kang, lumaki kang pinalaki ng sex bomb. Charot! I love you! I miss you!
Hi, Peanut! Happy birthday! Say happy birthday, Peanut.
Love you, birthday, Peanut.
Birthday ba? Di ba binyo?
Lumaki kang malusog, sumunod kay Mommy and Daddy. Yun lang. Makinig din kay Lolo at Lola, wag pasaway. Hindi tulad ni Kuya mo, pasaway lagi. Yun lang. Happy birthday, Peanut. We love you. Say I love you.
I love you. Hi, Light. Happy baptism. This is just one of the celebrations important celebrations, and I hope you can celebrate more. I love you.
Hi, Light. Happy baptism, and I wish you grow healthy. And I wish you have good grades when you go to kinder. I wish you're happy. Bye.
This is from Ate Jimin, Ate Aina. Hi, love you. Mwah.
Hi! Light Jays! Lola Ganda to! Love you! Love na love ka ni Lola Ganda! Hi! Peanut! Ni Lola! Love you, love you! Alagaan ka lagi ni Lola! Love you, Apo!
Hello, hi Pinat. Ako ti lolo mo. Ay si lolo. Ay si lolo. Ay si lolo. Ako ti lolo mo. Ikaw si Pinat. Buka ka. Siyang pala ka. Pasyal ka. Pasyal na tayo din. Jogging na kay lolo. Papasyal kami. Jogging kami. Ako ti lolo mo. Ikaw si Peanut. Buka ka. Siyang pala ka. Bye-bye.
Hi, Peanut. Happy birthday. We love you. This is your daddy. Just remember that daddy will always be here for you, okay? I love you. Hi, Peanut. We love you.
I love you. I I love you.
Peanut. Tututoy, tutututututoy.
Happy Christian World! Welcome to the family that will give you lots of play games. Bye! Happy birthday! Happy Christian World!
Happy birthday, Light. Hello po, baby Light. Happy birthday. Happy christening. I'm Ninang Sofia and wishing you all the best. Sana lumaki kang may takot kay God, to your parents, and of course to your godparents. And I'm always here for you. Will support you always. And wishing you a good health. And that's all. I love you.
Ayan, hello. Dun, harap ka dun. Hi, baby light. Hindi mayaman si Ninong, pero i-guide ka ni Ninong. tingin ka ron. Si Ninong hindi mapera eh. Pero ang bibigay ni Ninong ay guidance. Okay ka lang doon? Parang di ka masaya. Hindi siya masaya. Sige na, bye-bye.
Happy Christian World! Happy birthday, Light Jace!
Hello, Peanut. Happy birthday. I love you. Sana lagi kang maging sweet and huwag kang makulit. Say gugu gaga. Gugu gaga. Love you.
Hi! Oh my god, I'm so sorry I'm late. I swear to god I want to be early. But other than that, my message is I wish you grow up to be someone amazing. Which I know you will. So other than that, bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Lucas. Thank you. Loki's.
Hi, Light! Happy birthday! It is us, Ate Kas and Ate Aina. We want to wish you a happy birthday and in your future birthdays, more happiness and love to follow. I will make sure to be early this time. We're late, so sorry. But we'll promise to lessen that. This is us, your future bullies. Future bully number 2 and future bully number 1. We love you! Bye!
Highlight. I'm sorry we're late, and I wish you a birthday sim. And I wish I will be your sister next lifetime. But happy birthday too. We love you, and I wish you will grow healthy and be kind to your parents and have fear to God. Bye.
Hi, baby lights. Ninang Angela. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day.
Welcome to the Christian World, Light.
Hi, baby light. Welcome to the Christian World.
Happy birthday, baby light. We love you. Peace.
Hello, Prince. It's me, Kuya Prime, and I didn't really feel good about the last message, so I'm gonna do a new one. I hope you grow older, not being stubborn. Probably not. Don't be like me, and hopefully you go tall. Tall, please, go tall. Anyway, I hope you have a good life. I might not. I might be there for sometimes. I might not be there too. This depends if I can or not. But I love you as a little cousin. I hope you have a good life. Peace. And if I do anything wrong, please forgive me, please. And thank you. And goodbye. Happy birthday as well.
You say happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, baby.
Happy birthday, baby.
Happy birthday.
Hi, baby. Light. Thank you for making me your ninang. And I hope lumaki kang mabuting bata, masayahin, and friendly. And sana maging healthy ka hanggang paglaki mo. And yun lang, sana kung kailangan mo ng tulong, like for me, kay ninang, huwag kang mahihiyang lumapit sa akin. And I will be there, just one shot away. Bye-bye!
Hello, Light and Lucas. Sana lumaki kayo mabuting bata.
Yan lang. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, baby Light Jace. Wishing you all the best, good health, and happy birthday again.
Hi, baby light! Thank you for lighting up the world ng iyong mommy and daddy. And we are so happy and we are so glad to meet you. And nandito lang kami ng mga ninang mo palagi, willing na makipag-play sa'yo and gabayan ka and samahan ka sa iyong journey. I pray na lumaki ka na mabuting bata, God-fearing, and blessing talaga sa iyong family. Thank you and we love you so much. Bye-bye!
Happy birthday, Peanut. Ikaw.
Happy birthday, Peanut!
Happy birthday, Peanut!
Hi, mga anak, Lucas and Light. So, thank you so much. Ayan, na-survive na natin yung isang first part, which is yung baptism. So, Lucas, again, please, dahil sabi nga niya, protect daw yung si Baby Pina. So, I'm so proud of you kasi at young age na isip mo na protect the little Pina. So, thank you so much, anak. And then, yun, always protect each other and love each other. And always remember, family first. And, ayun, laging magtutulungan ha. So, I love you both.
Hi, Lucas and Peanut Light. Mommy and Daddy loves you so much, both of you. Always remember na take care of each other. Okay, mahal na mahal namin kayo ni Daddy at saka ni Mommy. And Lucas, take care of Peanut always, ha? Tapos Peanut, mahalin mo yung kuya mo, kahit makulit. Love you both.